DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan lakuna this week na be una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends, fans all over the world. My name is Albert Obaseki. My attention was drawn to a video made by my brother, Smart Obaseki, last night. The video is very, very misleading and not the opinion of myself, my family, and members of my field marshals. I want to apologize to my governor, His Excellency Governor Obaseki. His name was mentioned in the video. I am not surprised. Even when people said Albert don't do a video, it's a family matter. This is not a family matter. This is a response to a mentally challenged person. Your Excellency, I'm sorry. This is not what he said, is not the position of the family, it's not the position of myself. I'm your ardent fan. I have been a strong supporter of your administration since the beginning of your administration. And I will remain a fan of your administration. The last time I spoke to Smart was about 6-7 months ago. We don't talk. I blocked him long ago on Facebook after my attention was drawn to a video where he threatened somebody in a live broadcast. He said the person attacked me. He said the person insulted me. So he went on a live video to start threatening the person. And I called him. I said, Are you going crazy? Are you out of your mind? I am a public figure. It is expected that while some are praising, some are hailing, we also have some that are also castigating, that are also criticizing, that are also insulting. It is normal anywhere in the world. He said, no, brother. I said, you are mad. You are mad. I blocked him. So most times when people call me to say they chatted with smart chatted, I keep telling them that guy has a mental problem. Please, he has a mental problem. If you are following me, he's your friend, please go and block him. Go and block him. I don't know what he was expecting me to do. If he was expecting me to be sending him money there because he's saying Togba, Julius, my younger brother, is with me. Beck is with me. Becky is with me. Bright Owen is with me. All my family, Emmanuel Obaseki in Canada, they are all with me. I know how much my younger brother spent in this election. My parents, they are fully with me. I told them Obaseki is the way, and they killed him. I have never called him to say, do this for me. I have never been comfortable with his style, right from even when he was in Nigeria. They call us cataract because he's foolish, he's stupid, and I believe his foolishness is the weed or the drugs he takes has affected his brain. So please, the reason I decided to do this video is to apologize to Edo State government, to apologize to Edo State governor. I have never called him to complain to him. I have never called him to say, I have never called him to say, I don't talk to him. The family knows. Before he left Nigeria, my mother developed BP, high blood pressure because of him. When he left, my mother, the family celebrated. We don't ask him, the family don't ask him for a dime. It's a problem to the family. I believe he has developed a mental problem. Please, if you are sharing, just like my brother Norba said, if you are sharing his videos, trust me, God is going to give you a child like him that will give you problem. When the Ranamigo had issues with his brother, I did a live video and I told s0rry, I said, don't go personal. Please, don't go personal. Don't say what happened in your family. Use your sense. That's what I did. So please, I also want to apologize to my brother, my friend, Abel Stone. Abel Stone, I am sorry. Please, you know me. Me and you, we play. We do things together. With my friend Usakono Wodi. Please, what you said is on his own. If I can get, I have called some persons in Florida and they are looking for him as we speak. I don't know where he lives. I just told him, just take care of yourself. My mother, nobody asked him for a dime. Just take care of yourself. And I also want to apologize to his wife, to his American wife. Sarah, God will bless you. I know what you're going through, staying with a mentally challenged person. Sarah, we are sorry. On behalf of the family, I say sorry. Because I know what you're going through. We thought the system over there would change him. And I want to say this to either EYE as an organization or EYE people. I am looking for who took my brother to join EYE. I am looking for the person. Please, if you know who, I go school now. I go at Law, Co-operative Affairs Commission at Law. I attended at Brusali University, Ekboma. So I know what to be autism. I know how they lure, especially when they see foolish people, they think they are stubborn. My brother is not stubborn, my brother is not rugged, my brother is foolish and is not mentally okay. Maybe they thought he's stubborn or he thought he's rugged. Ruggedity is the ability for you to stand for what is right. Just like what I'm doing. To stand for what is right, not to go online and spew rubbish after taking drugs. I wish him what he wishes himself. I don't pray for him, but I wish him well. I wish him what he wishes himself. I called my father, the whole family. We are taking a position very soon, and it's going to be legal. We are going to completely distance ourselves from him, and there will be a legal document to that effect. So if anything happens, that's why I'm looking for the person that took him to join secret court. I'm looking for the person. So the person is going to be responsible. So please, nobody should call me. Please don't call me. Don't call me to say how bad we saw you. Don't call me. I don't want to be rude. Please, I am out of town to spend quality time with my family after 4 years of political struggle. Nobody should call me to say your brother this. Don't also call him, because no matter what you say, his stupidity is eternal. He will never change. He will never change. I know what I did to stop him in 2008 when he wanted to join secret court for this first time. I had to call SARS to go arrest the guys I wanted to take him to when a PTI at the Delta secret court. I don't want to mention the name of the court group. And for 1 year, I saw him with one of my friends. I said, come, if you put my brother for court, I don't belong to secret society. I don't belong to any confraternity. If you put my brother for court, you will be in trouble. I've been calling the guy since to tell me who to go and say in something. I don't know. So I am looking for who took him there. The person is going to be responsible for his madness. So please, a lot of people have said, don't call, don't pick, don't do video. It's a family matter. It's not a family matter. He embarrassed me, embarrassed the family, embarrassed my fans. I am not surprised because we have been trying to manage him, and I believe his foolishness has graduated now to a mental issue. So please don't call me. I don't want to be rude. Don't call me. Don't call me to either solidarize with me or to. Please don't call me. Don't call me. Don't call me. Don't call me. I don't care. Don't call me. This video is to apologize to my governor, to Edo State government, to Sakolo Hodi, to Eboston, to all my fans all over the world. Just like my younger brother Julius said, he's the black sheep, he's the black sheep, he's the black sheep in the family. I know what I did to ensure that he can read and write. I had to pull him out of school when he was not showing seriousness at the early stage of his life. I took him to Pioneer Education Center just for him to learn how to read and write, because from the beginning he's been stupid. So please, nobody should call me. Nobody should call me to say, I know my political opponent, hey, how about brother? It's your headache. It is your headache. I'm here with my family. I don't joke with my family. My family, my mom, and my siblings, the ones that are ready to grow in life, they are my friends. The ones who want to destroy themselves, they are not my people. So, nobody should call me. I don't want to be rude. Nobody should call me. The governor knows me. The governor knows me. Maybe it's like some of these other online social media bloggers that were mounting pressure on me to send them money. And I told them, I said, send a text to the governor. Atabat is not giving you money. Governor did not give me money to send to people abroad. Send a text to the governor and says, Your Excellency, Abat not give me money. Send a text to the governor. I have been blackmailed many times. A lot of people have called to say, hey, we hear the governor give you 100 million, we hear the governor give you 50 million. I keep telling them, do you have the governor's number? They'll say, no. I forward the governor, send a text to the governor. Text to the governor. So please, nobody should call me after this video. Don't send me chats. Don't call me. Don't call me. I am out of town to spend quality time with my family after 4 years of struggle. Because of Denko's election, I didn't go for honeymoon after my wedding. Because of Denko's election, I stayed. Please, nobody should call me. Oh, Smart is on his own. If devil push her, he's deported. He will not come close to my house. He will not come close to my family house. So please, those that are close to, I know my enemies now going to tell governor, Your Excellency, how about Obaseki younger brother? I have played my part. He has been re-elected. So anything anybody want to go do, let them know. We are moving on. I did a video this morning. I'm back fully to run my business. So please don't call me. Don't tell him to apologize. I don't care if he apologizes because he's naturally foolish, and his foolishness has graduated now to mental insanity. Thank you very much. Please, no calls. I don't want to be rude. Don't call me. Thank you very much. God bless you. Let me go enjoy myself with my family. Anyway, what happened to our family today? You'll be like when you hear say your brother go rob, they show him for crime fighter. That kind of shame, that kind of humiliation, that is how we are feeling. You understand? That is how we are feeling. When you don't say one member of your family, just that is how we are feeling. But me, my family, my mother, and my siblings no go out or do why na gboma ma we di have egbe na mi go na gboma ma America agbon ti marry your way. If he get anybody where an amigo get sense pass, I don't tell him when he was trying to insult an amigo. I said, you insulted an amigo, be very careful, please. Or dear way, I made the time. If you get anybody where an amigo get sense pass for this old world, he's smart or Obaseki. So please, if you do video tomorrow night, if you go take drugs again, drink, don't send it to me, please. Don't send it to me. By the time the family takes a position, that is not my decision for me to take. My father is aware. Everybody we don't do conference call on this matter today. My gear is on his own. If I show you a chart of my engagement with him this morning, if I show you a chart, you will know. Please, SKD, don't tell me it's your son. My brother Smart is sick. He has a mental issue. Your Excellency, God bless you. God will give you the strength, the wisdom to move Edo State forward. Sakuna Holding, you are my man. Eboston, you are my man. But disregard. Thank you very much. All my fans that have called, I've seen messages. God bless you. Nobody can bring me down. 1,000 Smart Obaseki cannot bring me down. 1,000 of them cannot bring me down. Agmomere, Imari Agme Smart, Imari Agme anybody. Agmome, Eiwari. Wayawese. Good night, everyone. Thank you. God bless you. Please, no calls, no message. As far as this matter is concerned, God bless you. Thanks for your understanding. Bye.
DJM TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take a watch our Ogbonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue to receive all thought Ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV.